Hey, what's up guys, this is Sandeep Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install KVM virt-manager on Arch Linux. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, open your terminal and type sudo pacman-syy to sync the repository database. Now you need to install the following packages. So type sudo pacman-s qemu virt-manager virt-viewer dnsmasq VDE2 bridge-utils openbsd-netcat. Now after that you need to install these two packages. So type sudo pacman-s ebtables and after that iptables. Now we need to install final dependency, which is libguestfs. So type sudo pacman-s libguestfs. Now we need to enable the libvirt service, so type sudo systemctl enable dash dash now libvirt. Now if you type sudo systemctl status libvirt, as you can see it is active and running. Currently libvirt is only accessible by root user, so we need to give the necessary permissions to our current user. So type sudo usermod -ag libvirt space your current username, and after that type sudo systemctl restart libvirt. Now you have successfully installed libvirt with virt-manager. Now you can install any virtual machines you want, and for the next video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on virt-manager. So that's it for the video guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.